Hi, this is Chuck Stull for my Industrial Organization and Public Policy class. I'm coming to you live from my backyard, or I guess recorded from my backyard in Kalamazoo, Michigan. It's Friday of first week. Thank you for getting started with the class. Let me give you a few notes on the name. Industrial organization in economics is not the same as industrial organization in psychology or in engineering. Those are totally different subjects. An alternative name for industrial organization in economics would be structure of American industry. In Great Britain, it would be industrial economics. And what we cover is really related to strategy in business courses that someone might have at an MBA level. Essentially, industrial organization studies imperfect competition, as you noted perhaps in some of the readings for this week. Now, there's two main approaches for this class. One is applied microeconomic theory, lots of modeling, and the other is industry studies. So this class, for the most part, is going to take an industry case study approach, and we're going to incorporate theory to understand the world. This week, the readings that you've just done have mostly focused on a little bit of background theory to make sure everybody's at the same place and that we can go forward. But most of what we're going to be doing is we're going to look at the history of several major industries: agriculture, oil, automobiles, telecommunications, computers and the internet, and the beer industry. And we'll develop concepts through looking at these industries that can be applied to any industry. We will also be looking at public policy, but public policy very much focused on industry. The main focus in terms of policy will be antitrust or anti-monopoly or pro-competitive laws. We will also look at regulation, particularly when we talk about the telecommunications industry towards the end of the quarter. We will talk a little bit about international trade policy, which is becoming more relevant with our current administration. And then we'll talk a little bit about industrial policy and industrial subsidies, particularly some of the ones that were very important in the past. Otherwise, I'm glad to have you with me, and it is nice to be here, even if it is from a distance. Look for some new features being posted next week. Take care.